I'm making a short video to demonstrate a vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing birdcage that has been fully restored and fully serviced. It's absolutely immaculate, and this one is slightly different than most, and I'll explain why. So I'm going to turn it on. If you notice, there is a built-in pause. And this is intentional. Looking at all the cams, the mechanical movement, this is exactly how it was designed. So rather than have a pause feature as the second position, this has two positions, on and off. And while this is running, there is a pause where the red bird rotates his head, but does not sing. Outstanding cosmetic condition, outstanding mechanical condition, and something a little different. I've actually only seen two of these out of the thousands that I've seen. So it's kind of cool. I'm going to turn it off. So in summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing birdcage, fully restored, fully serviced, and a slightly different engineering design than almost all others. Take care.